that you had.
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Woo! We're back, dude. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to be back on the bike. Right around 45 degrees. It feels good to be back. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Which road should we take? We'll take these back roads. Cause why not? We're in it for the adventure, guys. Brakes, 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 brakes. It's not even that cold out. I'm so excited. Let's see how this goes. I was definitely thinking about crossing over and going past them, but then I saw that other car. Party pooper! I just drowned the entire monster before getting on this bike, and then I peed. Now I'm here. I don't think it even kicked in yet. I don't feel it, at least. Maybe I'm immune to it. Hey, you guys are killing it, first of all. You guys are really killing it. I hit 5K on YouTube. I'm so excited. It was my goal this year. I set that goal in January, and we hit it perfectly in time. 2 weeks to spare, 5K. Like, I forgot about the goal. And then we hit it. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm about to hit 10K on Instagram. And then on TikTok, guys, 232,000. That's insane. I can't even, like, I didn't even know there was that many people on the planet. Hey, bud, you building a house? Cool. Oh, it's a garage. Sick. No! My headset died, so I can't listen to music. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna vlog the entire time. You guys are stuck with me now. It's me and my brain. Is that a Porsche? That's not a Porsche. Definitely not a Porsche. Wow! It sounded like a fart. Beep, 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 beep. Long and Foster. That's a dog. Okay, so I've came to the conclusion the best way to motovlog is just have no filter. Whatever comes into your mind, say it. like right then and there. Stu, I missed you. I love you. I missed you. I hate you. Mother Nature. I need a cowboy to lasso the sun closer. Hey, other bike. Friend. 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 Okay, do not give me the motorcycle respect by throwing the peace sign. Guys are Harley riders, man, I tell you. Why do they do that? Why is that so often? They're so mean. Come on, Josh. Why do Harley riders gotta be so mean? I simply am just giving you a peace sign. Give me a peace sign back. Show mutual respect. But no, you guys want to be all cool and not throw it down. Oh, I only respect other Harley riders because we ride Harleys and they're big fat old 1200cc engines. Dude. No, we're both on 2 wheels. Give me the freaking peace sign, for crying out loud. All I want for Christmas is a peace sign from a Harley rider. I think that monster has kicked in. Oh, I think I have an obsession with my bike. I was almost to the point where I was about to cry. Wait, look, it's 3 Subaru Outbacks in a row. Give me a peace sign. No? Okay, all right, fine, cool. Hey, let's go, boy. You guys ever heard of Nesquik? Nesquik slaps. It hits different. Wasn't there a song named... Oh, look at that. Look at that snowman. He's so friendly. He looks so cuddly. Hey, 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 hey. No, 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 stay. There you go. Imagine I was a Jedi. Oh, you know what? No, if I had that, I'd pretty much get all the cops in the state of where I live and then get them all together and then force them to be still, and then get out their car and watch me do wheelies past them. That'd be pretty fun. Imagine you could do that. I'm going left, for I am not a threat. I am friendly. Yeah, you watch that glass. Right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Imagine I had a big speaker on my bike and it was just like, every time I was turning, it just started announcing, I'm turning right. You have your turn signal on. There you go. Oh, there goes the monster. Jeez, I've never had a burp that tasted like more of a drink. Phenomenal. top 10 2019 burps of America. Oh. Oh my gosh, he knew what I was trying to do. Hello. Hello, citizen. Ballsy, ballsy. I wouldn't do that. Oh, those are floor mats to a vehicle. I gotta pee again. I'm gonna go pee.
Tripping on back from the legs, say something. Never tell a pack that I never stay running. Sipping on facts,